How to use WhatsApp like a walkie-talkie. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. To check that, launch your Play Store or app and search for the app WhatsApp. After it appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now open any of the group conversation. Once you are in the group chat, now what you have to do is swipe up in this way. Now release your finger and you'll be connected to this walkie-talkie feature. Now you can send a voice message or also you can wave. Other members from the group will also be notified that you have started this feature. Once they also join, you can easily use this feature. You have joined a live audio session where you can talk and listen in real time. All the members from group chat can join it anytime. When done, exit the voice chat or wait until everyone leaves. It closes automatically when no one is in it. No recordings are saved and the chat remains private. So that's a wrap for this video. So that's basically how you can use WhatsApp like a walkie-talkie. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.